Negril business and tourism interests say they're already seeing signs of recovery on the horizon with increased bookings for summer and the next winter season. They're hopeful the vaccination program will help return the sector to pre-COVID-19 levels. Javon Keys reports.
It's been a tough year for tourism due to COVID-19, with estimates showing a 74% drop in the sector's earnings for the current fiscal year. The $874 million income is a drop in the bucket compared to the $3.4 billion earned the previous year. But with the global vaccination drive and the belief that tourists are longing to travel, some stakeholders are hopeful of better days. Some in fact say they are seeing signs of a rebound.
The surge that was predicted after the pandemic is taking shape based on bookings, based on reports that are coming out of the industry. There are reports of bookings that are exceeding 2019, which was pre-COVID. So we're very optimistic, and we're looking forward to next year, to also as early as this summer. I believe we will start seeing an uptick.
President of the Negril Chamber of Commerce, Richard Wallace, says the next winter tourist season is also looking very promising. But at present, many players in the sector are still displaced. The government's COVID-19 Allocation of Resources CARE program offered numerous grants for tourism workers and qualified businesses.
After many months of the process of applications, providing all the documents, and so the grants were finally disbursed on Monday. So many of us received our grants on Monday, and we're very happy to do so.
For the new fiscal year, the government has put aside $3 billion for additional grants through the Social and Economic Recovery and Vaccine SERVE program. The Negril Chamber president says he is pleased with the decision. He says Negril will also benefit from other aspects of SERVE.
There are two aspects of it that we are particularly pleased with. One is the establishment of a police divisional headquarters in Westmoreland that would have implications on Negril, and we're happy for that. And also the second one that we are excited about is the Montego Bay bypass, because that also has implications for Negril as well. We're happy to see that the government is pushing ahead with that. We're hoping that the next bypass that they will do will be for Lucy, to get tourism traffic, more traffic into Negril easier and quicker.
Mr. Wallace says they're also paying close attention to the vaccination programs for overseas travel markets. Local tourism workers are to be vaccinated in Phase 2 of the local inoculation program. Javon Keys, TVJ News.